Hello guys, today I'll be doing a video on volume. So if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe and watch out for more videos. Thanks. Hello guys, today I'm talking about volume. What is trading volume? Guidelines for using volume, and what are the best indicators to calculate volume? What is our trading volume? Trading volume is the number of units traded in the market during a given time. So it is usually for 24 hours, and we have a 24 hours high and a 24 hours low. And you can't talk about technical analysis without mentioning volume. It's very important. And when do your chart on volume, always take the price data into consideration. Um, with that, it will give you a clearer view of what you are doing. And you can use volume to catch a lot of trend, use to catch trend, you can use to determine your support and resistance to know when to buy or when to sell. So volume is very important. Now let me show you guys how it works. Now this is I'm on TradingView right now. This link BTC. Now the first part is say if the price, I said that when doing your volume, you must take your price data into um consideration. Now if the price increase alongside increase in volume, we're going to see a bullish trend. It means that the price of the coin is bullish. Now let's take for instance and look at this now. You can see the price of this coin went up here. You can see the volume rise alongside with it. It means that this was very bullish. You can see the price went up all the way here. You can see the volume over here, the way it increased from 35 to 90 and so on. Now the next part now will be on so that if the price increases and the volume decreases, it is considered bullish, but only small players are in the market. Now let's say for instance something like this now. The price is increasing and its price drop. It means that only small traders are in the market. So the big traders are not really participating in that market. Now let's look at from here now. You can see the price start increasing. It means that more people start buying this coin. So the big people, the big traders with the money start coming in, and you can see the price of this coin. It went up and got to this part here. And the next part will be on if the price decrease. That's now if the price decrease and the volume increases, it means consider that to be bearish. Now let's look at this now. As over here now, the price decrease and the volume on that part here, the volume increases. I see that this was market here was very bearish. The price went down all the way here. So this is how it works. And the last part, if the volume decreases and the price too also decrease, it means that the coin is in a downward trend. So only small sellers are in the market now. Let's take an example of that. It is Binance, and this AE coin. You can see that from this part, this coin has been in a downward trend because the volume of this coin has been very low, and you can see that it has been on a downward trend all this while because only small sellers are participating in this market. So that's how it works. Now let's move to the other part. Now, the guidelines for using volume. Now, the first one is volume can be used to analyze a market trend and reversal and support and resistance. So, guys, I will show you how this works in the market. Now, let's say for instance, I want to buy a coin, and I check out the price and the volume. I see that okay, the price is coming down. So, okay, I want to buy at the support level. Means that if the price decrease and the volume increase close to my support, it means that the price might break my support level because now the volume of the coin is decreasing, is increasing alongside the when the price is decreasing too. Now let me show you guys an example of this. Let's use the link. Okay. Okay. Now let me take this part as my level. Okay, let me take this part. Okay, I'll take this part as my support level for example. Let me put it here. Now, guys, you can see that now this coin is coming down, right? As it gets to this pattern, the volume increases as the price is coming down. You can see what happened. It broke the support level and it keeps on going down. So that's how it works on this now. Now let's say for instance now I want to sell my coin now at a resistance level. Okay, let's take this part as a resistance level. Now let's put it over here. Okay, so let me use this part. Now let's say for instance now I enter this trade now at this part here and I want to say yeah, let's take this as the resistance level. So this price start moving up, and when it gets to here, look at what happened. The price start increasing alongside the volume. So it means that the market is in a bullish trend and it might break the resistance level, which it did. And you can see the market went up all the way here. So guys, this is how it works. Let's move to the next part now. Next part now, we have volume can also help you to define a bullish market. Yeah, this is very important too. Now let's say the volume of a coin increases and the price increases, and after the price increases, the price went down again and increases again and went down again. If the previous low, now let's say a coin, okay, let me give you guys a practical example. Let's say a coin went up from $1 to $10, and it went down again to like let's say $7, but it didn't get to the previous low of $1. It means that that market is in a bullish trend. So we might see that from that 7 now, we might see it will go up to like 15, from and so on and so forth. So that's when to know if the market is really bullish. And once the price increases too and the volume increases with it, it means that it's very bullish. Now for the next one, volume can help you to determine false breakout and how to spot breakout. Okay, yeah, this is very important now. And let's say you are trading now, for example, and the okay, now let's say a market has been in a range ever since. Now let's say the price start moving and the volume increases. It means that we might see a breakout very soon in the market. Now let me show you guys an example of this. Okay, let me use SVG. This is on trading view. Now guys, look at what happened here now. You can see that the market has been in a range over this spot here. And look at what happened now. You can see that from here now, the volume increases and the price broke out from here. You can see what happened. It went down little, and from here the volume started increasing. And you can see that. So with this now, you can support a breakout. So when doing your volume, always watch out for the price data too. It's very important because they go with each other. Now let's move to the next one. You can use past volume history and news event. Yeah, this is very important. So now let's say for instance now you can study your past trade of the coin you're buying now. Look at okay, what this coin did the last time or the last month, and you can use that now to determine your future trade, to know okay, maybe when this coin gets to this support level, the volume is usually higher and the price starts going up. So you can use that too. And again, news events. And let's say for example now I buy a coin and they have news coming up. So this too might affect the trade too. So if it's a good news, you can see the volume and the price start going up too. If you are smart too, you can use that to catch a trend and make money. But if it's a negative news, you might see the price coming down with increased volume. So it means that that's a bullish that's a bearish trade, and you have to use your stop loss to so that you don't end up losing more money in that trade. Now, what are the best indicators to calculate value? Now, for me now, I choose this theory. Although there are others you can use too, but this theory for me and the ones I usually use, and they're okay. Unbalanced volume, chunking money flow, and clincher oscillator. So these are the ones I use, and they're very nice too. So you can try that out and practice them on your own. Because I'm talking much about this. right now. Now, let me give you guys some tools. And the first one will be volume can be an indicator of market strength as rising markets or increasing volume. Okay, volume can be an indicator of market strength on rising market or increasing volume, especially if you are strong and healthy. Yeah, this is very important too. Now, let's say your price start increasing and the volume starts increasing too along with it. That means that this market is very bullish. So that's a sign. Now, for the next one, I say that if price if price is moving um, if price is moving higher and gives a pullback with a lower volume, it's a sign that the price can still go up. Yeah, this is what I just explained before. Now, let's for example, now a coin start going up and it went down a little. That's it give a little pullback and the price still went above it. That means it doesn't go below the previous low. So it means that this market is in a bullish trend. Now, for the last part, when price reaches new high or no lows on decreasing volume, watch out, the investor might be taking shape. Yeah, this is very important. So now, let's say a price went up and the volume start decreasing as the price coming down. It means that this market we might see a rise in the market soon. So it means that the buyers are exhausted. So the seller might push the market down, and always watch out for this too, and always watch out for the volume too regarding this part too. So yes, and that's it for volume. If you're new to my channel, you can subscribe and like. And if there's anything you don't understand, just let me know on the comment section. I'll reply to every comment. That's it. Thanks.